Hello again. This is Math 1120 coming to you from the College of DuPage. And here in this lecture, we're revisiting the GPA problem I assigned because a student asked about how did I get the answer that I got, and they got a different answer. And so I try to address that in this video. And so again, our hypothetical students, Zoe's GPA Revisited is the title of this lecture. And as always, please be an active learner as you watch this video. Well, there are a handful of issues that were involved in this problem, in addition to just doing the Excel calculations. One is you had to uncover the fact that the Education 1115 had been renamed College Skills 1115 for current catalogs. And the lesson here is data does change. So for 1115, we have 2 credit hours, and that's the research that was necessary for there. The other thing that some students struggle to find was music 1351. Now that is a 1 semester hour course, but it has an additional attribute that it may be taken up to 4 times for credit. That's unusual. Most courses don't work that way, but this music course does. So here is the actual portfolio that Zoe, the hypothetical Zoe, presented. And this is how the College of DuPage did their calculation. And these were the numbers that I showed you. Now, one of the things that I forgot was that I didn't want you to be confused by this Music 1351. And so I deleted one of them. But notice that Zoe took it twice, once here and another time down here, and got an A both times. So that means when I deleted this, that actually changed the dynamics, and that meant your answers would not match the numbers down here. And so what happens is if I take one of those courses away, it reduces the GPA credits to 64 from 65 because I erased one of those. And the other thing, though, is that she got an A in that, so that reduces her grade points by 4. So the actual calculation that you should have had was 184 divided by 64 is 2875, and that's what you should have had for this, and that's what I'll use in the actual grading. And then the other thing that happened up here, and I think I already talked about this, but you see she was retaking this English 1102, but if she earns an A in this time, it'll replace the previous grade. Now, the F that was earned before in this course, down here, for example, already showed up in the attempted GPAs. So what really happens is, although this student is taking 3, 6, and 4 is taking 10 credit hours, it's really only 7 new credit hours. So what happens is if they get all A's in all of these courses, that will be 10 credit hours times 4 in each course, so we add 40. So we add 40 to this 184, getting 224. But we do not add 10 to this because that's repeating the 1102. So we only add 7 to this, so that goes up to 71. So the answer remains that yes, this is what the number should have been. And this is the grade point average, and certainly they can graduate with a 3-point. And I apologize for looking at this instead of remembering actually what I did. So these are the answers that you should have come up with. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math, it will make you strong. And now more than ever, take care of yourself and of each other. May God bless you all.